All successful people have one thing is common. What is that? That is discipline. Discipline to eat healthy food every day. Discipline to work out regular. Discipline to wake up earlier. Discipline to never give up. And discipline to believe in themselves. And that is the secret thing of a successful people. For this reason, I wanna tell you, if we want to become a successful person, must maintain the discipline. It can be English learner. It can be another students. I'm English learner. For this reason, I wanna maintain the discipline. I wanna maintain, keep consistency. For this reason, I'm committed with myself. Practice in English every day.